Hello friends, welcome back in this session. So in this session we are going to understand the for uh, the loop how we can use in Terraform scripting language. So here we are going to take an example for the for uh, each loop, and let's see. I want to just show you the code base from the starting, where we can use the for, how we can use. So this is the basically used for the for each. So basically it's a in Python we use the for in, so it's make the loop for internal. So from the Terraform version 12, this basically give the supports. So how we are using the for? So we have taken the number of subject mem numbers from the variable. So here I have taken the 1 to 6, or basically based on our requirement we can add here. And so this number we are using here for creating the number of CIDR block for the security groups for the adding the rule. So in security group we are creating the ingress rule here. So here from we are adding the IP here. So here we are added the CIDR block, and we have added the loop here. So for number, so this number is variable in where we want to iterate our loop. So we are basically iterating our loop in the subnet number. So this is our subnet number. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 is our subnet number, and the number will be passed here, and this is CIDR block it will take, and this is the bit. So this is our CIDR calculation, the bit for the IP uh, number. So this will use for the calculating our bit, and this number will be iterate. Okay, let's try to understand first the CIDR subnet function. So CIDR subnet function basically works with this. This is the basically Terraform document. What's the CIDR subnet function? This is the basically documentation. So this is the prefix new bits which we have discussed. That's the calculation of bits and the net number. So prefix must be given the CIDR notation. New bits the number of addition bits which extend to the prefix. Example, you given the prefix and slash 16, which will basically add the 4 value. Same way you can manipulate with this different requirement with the different number. Number is a whole number can be represented as your binary integer value. So basically number will be basically move for the your iteration. Okay, so if you want to see the code base for each example, you can go through the our repo, this a Terraform tutorial, and in tutorial you will find the for each example. So from here you can take this code base. Okay, so now we have done almost. Let's try to run our code base first. So I'm adding the creating the simply Terraform script, and here we are basically taking the VPC ID. So let me just copy my VPC ID. Okay, so this will create the basically security group with the 6 number of the rules. So we are making the iteration of loop, and we have given the iteration where we want to make a loop. So it's refreshing state. You can see it's made the iteration here. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is basically 4 bit, and if you want to change the bit you can simply change here. Let me just take a different example. So I'm just changing bit to here 4. Let's see the example. So I'm just this is basically uh, if we want to add the plan, so this will simply want create the infrastructure. Let me take the my VPC ID here. Okay, okay, so this is VPC ID I have taken, and now you can see here. So this will create the different range for the IP with the 4 number. Yeah, so you can see this is created the 16 32 48 64. Yeah, so in previous one it was the 31.1. So let's uh, change the CIDR block again. I'm just changing the bit here. So this is the 8, and now let's create the actual infrastructure using the Terraform apply. we need to have VPC ID here. Okay, so this will again create the security groups with the six different rules. You can update that number of rules. So I'm just giving the confirmation here, yes. So this will basically create one add and there is nothing change and destroy. So this is the actual group will be we are going to see in a console. Okay, so our security group has been created. Let's go to the console page where we can check whether it's created or not. Okay, so right now I'm in my VPC section. Okay, let me go in my VPC. So you can simply see the CIDR of this VPC. So here the CIDR is 31.00, so it basically taken the default one. Now let's move for the security group. So security group has been created here with this for each example, and in security group you can see this is the role which we have created. So this is the basically 1 2 3 4 5 6 which we have taken. So this basically rule will be created from the for each example. So the same way you can use for each for creating the multiple iteration. This is very useful while we do the scripting. So this is all about the example for the for each. Thank you.